In this video, I'm going to talk about how the way you think and feel about yourself can deeply affect your abundance. And I'll also take you through an exercise to help you uncover what's stopping you from living the life that you deserve. Hey, I'm Joveline, money mindset mentor and hypnotherapist. If you have huge visions and goals for your business or your life, but you find yourself with huge limiting beliefs and self-sabotaging ways, then this channel is for you. In the past 14 years, I've coached and mentored entrepreneurs. And what I found is that we have many things in common. We have huge dreams for ourselves. We know that we have huge potential. We want to change the world. We want to make a difference to the lives of our loved ones and for others. However, along the way, we often find ourselves with deep challenges. Entrepreneurship can be difficult. The path of entrepreneurship is a path to self-mastery. It takes vision. It takes determination. It takes the will to overcome obstacles, especially obstacles like ourselves. Our limiting beliefs, our thoughts, our emotions, our behaviors, and our actions. And if we don't master this, we end up giving up on our dreams, we give up on our passions, and we give up on ourselves. Throughout the years, I've noticed that most of us experience feelings of negativity. Feelings like fear, frustration, anxiety, stress, and worry. We tell ourselves disempowering stories, which prevent us from taking risks and stepping outside of our comfort zone. We overthink too often, most of the time. We get stuck in the past and we worry about the future. And these thoughts and feelings can often lead to self-sabotage, and we don't even know it. Most of the time, these thoughts and feelings are triggered by a root cause that's deep. And we unconsciously live by this root cause that doesn't even serve us. For entrepreneurs, we're constantly battling a running commentary in our minds. And there's always that little voice inside of our heads that says that I'm just not good enough. I'm a fraud. People will find out who I truly am. I'm not good at this. It wasn't supposed to be this hard. I don't have time for this. Maybe now is not the right time to be doing this. If I was truly supposed to be doing this, it wouldn't be so hard. I just know that the universe is telling me something. Why would they want to learn from me when I'm only just starting? The fact is, these thoughts directly affect our feelings. These thoughts make you feel bad about yourself. We lose our confidence. We doubt that we are truly capable of making the business work. We feel stupid. We feel unworthy. We feel overwhelmed. We feel stressed and anxious. We feel disappointed with ourselves. And when we feel this way, this directly impacts our business or work, which is linked to our wealth generation. These stop us from taking risks. We wouldn't put ourselves out there. We feel stupid, or we're afraid to look like a fool. We procrastinate on the things that we know that we should be doing instead of actually doing it. We don't build relationships because we lack self-worth. We're afraid that people will see us for who we truly are. And these emotions will sap away at our energy levels. So we feel drained all the time and will not have the will to get up and go. These actions will severely impact our business or the work that we do. That's why it's imperative that we understand what's truly stopping us from moving forward so that we can address what needs to be done to work towards our dreams and goals for our future. With our thoughts, we create the world. I love this quote. This quote embodies all that we are and the world that we create for ourselves and for others, because it all starts with thought. So as I mentioned earlier, I want to take you through an exercise to help you uncover what is truly holding you back from your dreams and goals, because it all starts with awareness, right? So when you're ready, go ahead and find yourself a nice quiet spot where you won't be disturbed. Grab yourself a journal and a pen and answer the following questions. Now you can pause this video in between the questions, or if you're not in a place where you can do this exercise right now, make sure you come back to it when you can. Okay, so the first question that I have for you is, what's stopping you from having your manifestations show up in your life? Question number 2. What thoughts do you tell yourself? Question number 3. What negative feelings do you feel about your dreams or your goals or about yourself? So make sure you take some time to answer these questions and try to dig deep and be truthful to yourself when you're writing the answers. And now that you have these written down, and in my next videos, I'll take you through some powerful techniques to uproot your root cause so you'll never have to deal with it again. So if you'd like to know more about how you can do this, be sure to subscribe. If you like this video, please click the like button. And if you'd like more videos like this one, please do hit that subscribe button. I'll see you in my next video.